let's learn, I think it's called Ssick Girl Online by Jean Dawson. And it's kind of like a chord-based riff. Playing like those little triplets there, like 1, 2, 3. So that's a E major 7. You could also just play E major. Like I'm playing an A shape, like we learn, but I'm moving it up to the 9th fret. And then we go to C sharp minor, which actually you have one right there at the 9th fret too. But I think they're going to the one at the 4th fret. And then the final chord is A major 7. So those chords are very close together. The C minor and the E major 7, you're just changing the root note, but the fingers stay the same. Minor, C sharp minor, E or A major 7. You don't have to play the chords, you could just play it. Just play like the notes out of there. But that riff is the whole song. And then they do a little walk down after those 3 chords. That's just A to G sharp. So cool song, cool chord progression, very jazzy, very R&B. Okay, thanks for watching, and thanks for that request, and have fun. Bye.